Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30s, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open its settings, then you have to go to the About Phone section, then factory reset. Then you have to tap Erase all data, factory reset. Then you have to get to know with all this information, wait for 10 seconds. Then tap next step, then get to know with all this new information. You have 10 seconds for this. And then tap OK. And after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.